Hey everybody, it's Miss Lydia from Polk County Library. Today I'm going to show you how to draw this super cute winter penguin. Let's get our supplies and get drawing! Here's what you need. A piece of paper. I'm using just regular computer paper. You can use notebook paper or graph paper. You'll need a pencil or a pen, something to draw with. If you're using a pencil, you'll want a pencil sharpener and an eraser. And then I'm using markers today to color with, but you can use crayons, colored pencils, paint, whatever you'd like. Okay, our first step is to draw our penguin's hat. Towards the top of my paper, I'm going to draw just a curved line for the bottom of the hat and then the bit more of a curved line for the top of the hat. I'm going to add a fluffy pom-pom on top of my hat. You don't have to if you don't want to. It's totally up to you. Next, we're going to draw our penguin body. Starting from the sides of our hat, we're going to draw a slightly curved line down. And draw a straight line across the bottom and another curved line down from the hat to the bottom as well. There we've got our penguin body. Next we're going to draw our penguin scarf. So around the middle of the body we're going to draw another curved line and one right below it for our scarf. I'm going to add two little scarf tails just by drawing some rectangles on one side underneath the scarf. Now that we've got our scarf, let's start adding some details for our penguin. So for our penguin face, we're going to start on the top of the scarf, draw a curved line up into a point right in the middle. Then from that point, go the opposite way down to the scarf. We're going to add a little triangle for the nose, two little circles for the eyes. To draw our penguin belly, we're going to draw a line from under the scarf to the bottom on both sides to add our penguin belly. Can't be a penguin without some flippers. So draw some flippers, kind of like a J shape on the outside of our penguin. Then we'll add our penguin feet right on the bottom. Now it's up to you to add any other details that you want to add to your penguin drawing. I'm going to add some snow in the background just to sort of show he's up where it's cold. Even saw some little snowflakes falling around him. Once you've finished adding your detail, then it's time to color. And here is our finished winter penguin. I hope you had a great time drawing with me today. Bye guys!